नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing for entering into Sadashivoham 2016. It feels like the day is here. For which Sadashiva was preparing. Life is all about manifesting Sadashivatva. In every level, in every field, in every space, manifesting Sadashivatva is life. Understand? In your physical body, in your physiological system, or psychological circuit, neurological experiences, the level of muscle memory, biomemory. In every level, manifesting Sadashivatva is the purpose of existence. Methodologies, techniques to manifest Sadashivatva in human frame is religion. Understand? I am defining religion. Manifesting Sadashivatva in the human frame is religion. Essence of all religions, traditions. And I do want to put a disclaimer. It is not that all religions have essence. If they have, it is all about the methodologies, techniques to manifest Sadashivatva within the human frame, through the human frame. When I say human frame, every level I say, from your habits, thinking style, thought currents, lifestyle, understandings about life, how you apply everything in the life, how you look at life, how you perceive life, how you experience life. In every level, manifesting Sadashivatva, converting your patterns into powers, your probabilities into possibilities. Human beings into Sadashiva. When I see the faces, already people have arrived. So I don't feel like I have to be giving introduction, I have to enter into the program. Sadashivoham, 2016. Listen. Sadashivoham, 2016. A punch cannot be reduced to punch line. I am not able to put Sadashivoham in any punch line. When I see, I feel only that how can a punch be reduced to a punch line? Punch line is after all a line. I can only assure every line, every expression, even every breath, every signal I release through this body will be making you manifest Sadashivoham in Sadashivoham 2016. I'll fill your logic length through understandings. I'll fill your breath visualization through this form. I'll fill your depth, being, cognition through the initiations. I'll make you play with your time and space. Literally, you can pick up a sheet and you can just draw a small square, meaning making your inner space small, and you can just draw a bigger square. You will see your inner space will become big. You can just manipulate and play with your inner space. Understand? It will look like too good to be true, as I am. Always. Just because something is too good to be true, it is not false. Understand? There are beautiful, tons of things too big, too good to be true exists. Till the demonstration is done, powers were looking too good to be true. Same way, till you enter into Sadashivoham, it will look too good to be true. It's time. I have to make that into a reality. No, it is not too good to be true, it is true. See, every day, the spiritual product you need for tomorrow's process will be given to you in the evening. In the evening, you will receive the spiritual product needed for next day. The whole day class itself you are going to attend with the spiritual product. So, the whole class is going to be completely processed. It is like you have an iPad, whatever I speak verbally, you can touch and see visually. Same way, whatever I utter the words, you can touch the Garbha and see experientially. Looks like those days fairy tale Jibumba. It is not Jibumba, it is Sadashivoham. If you are listening, if you are hearing, not even listening, even if you are hearing my words, just come to Sadashivoham 2016. You will not be cheated, you will not feel cheated. The obstacles now which looks like real, if you miss the program for those obstacles as a reason, you will realize those obstacles have cheated you. They have cheated you. What for you withheld? Suddenly, neither they delivered what they promised. There is no alternative for your native, your innate expression of life. So let me start the session, the same style. Get your Surya Mandala and bring it to your right hand. All the participants all over the world, everyone all over the world, please get your Surya Mandala to your right hand. If you have not been given, raise your hand. Yes. In Bangalore Adhinam, it is being distributed. The Surya Mandala should be having the Garbha inside. Just check whether the mandala given to you as a kulisa inside. Kulisa means it will be like a small tube which carries the energized spiritual alchemy life. So it will be actually totally 4-piece. 3-piece making the body shell, and inside the kulisa, the small tube which is kept, the tube carries the life. Yes, please, you can see here. It's a 3-part. The base, and then the middle, and the covering. This 3-part, this is actually shell structure, body structure, and this is the life. The kulisa holds the life, so it has to be inside, and have it in your right hand. Understand? Bringing the consciousness into matter is the unique science available only in Hindu tradition. That is why many stupid fellows all over the world say it is not possible. When they say it is not possible, it is that wolf saying, grapes are not tasty. So, this is the shell structure. Please see, it's a 3-part shell structure, and the small tube, the gold-coated tube inside, this carries the life. This is the jiva, the life of the mandala, and this 3-piece is the shell structure of the mandala. The gold-coated 3 pieces is the structure of the mandala. If the life is not inside, please get that.